Yesterday was Top Killa Weng 9 night in a Denham town. The people them roll out to celebrate them hero. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Gunman, murder Barber, St.Thomas+Top say World Dawg lucky. He miss it through Switzerland did dead. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna know where I go on. Pre this.
This boy, man, you can't talk to you, man. I'm telling you.
Run up alive, we're world fish there. World fish and back, post the package, world fish.
Yeah, that will give them no highlight. No highlight, no highlight.
Send film.
That will give them no highlight.
Give me.
Yeah, don't give them no highlight. No
World Dawg, me see say what you do there. You do it cause Swiss lead there. So you do it for make Swiss lead life. Go away. But we just leave you. Do it by yourself. Stop the 20 people in there. Do it with your side stepper. And then they're gonna tell side stepper parents what you do. That side stepper die.
Don't give them no highlight. Don't give them no highlight. Yeah, don't give them no highlight. Don't give them no highlight. No highlight. No highlight. No highlight. No highlight. No highlight. Dawg on this. I don't go and share up, man. The fucker, you know. Spread the word.
When you hear that, my viewers, I be informed the man them inform on themselves over TikTok. One bag of media badness is like them wake up and see a castic where them like, and when one go lay down in a deep freeze. You know hear where them a say, I talk about World Dawg lucky, say Swiss did dead. One with that happen to him. My people, all of them youth a spread them bed. So them just have to lay down in night. If World Dawg head get bust out by a man in, me no shock, me no frightened. If Butta marrow get splash out right now, me no shock, me no frightened. Cause me know say a part of life. I this them sign up for. I this them dep on the media I do every day. I chat one bag of badness. I threaten people life. I talk about when them see each other. What them a go do to each other. So here it my viewers. Can you believe this? So with the writers I watch the youth them a self-destruct. I watch the youth them a go down in a hole. I go round in a castic. So them can't stay there. Think we not get clout out of this. Laugh the people them a laugh off a one in a this. I say look pan them clown ya. Nah stop till them kill off them one another. So my people, walk with me now. We are got St.Thomas district, Trinityville, where we see gunman go for a barber in him yard. Damian Brian and go spread him out brawling. Everybody I wonder, I could have where the barber do forget this. What? The barber never trim the dog good. The dog never like him line up. So him circle back and decide say him fling 9 ball in the barber head. Cause the barber never do a good job. Or the barber involved in a badness. And a whole half corner. And I take talk from the dons and the general where I run the place in a Trinityville. Viewers, most of them youth I wanna see man a left flat pan them face. Don't feel like say them innocent to the badness. Cause the youth them are no idiot boy, you know. And the dons and the general them know who involved, you know. And when program run and the killer them pull up a foot. And no mistaking of identity. The barber ya, Damian Brian, have to do something. For gunman go in him yard for him at Trinityville, St. Thomas. And go make it up more brawling. So my people, wanna walk with me and now. We see Top Killa Weng. Police bust out him head. And the people them in a Denham town a keep big 9 night for Weng. I say them hero gone. How them miss him. I send up balloon up in a sky. My viewers, you see why the youth them left out of high school and jump in a badness. Cause them see the glory in a badness. Them see how people afraid of gunman, rate gunman, worship gunman. You have some woman will take off them shut off of them back and make Weng walk on that. That's too enough of them people in a them community here. Rate gunman. So see it my viewers. A Weng 9 night this one I sleep on the screen, you know. We keep in a Denham town, Golden Spring, and see it here. people them roll out for them done. Roll out for the Killa. Say them a celebrate. So my people, protect on the 3 points out there. Until next time, you don't know my code. Life over death road.